Hello everyone, welcome to Iteration-1 SWOT demo of our team. Um, so I'll go quickly into SWOT member. Compared with last time, we have lost two junior member, that's Sahompen and Luke Manley. So in senior we have Rahul Verma is the project leader, Me Khan Tuhung is front end developer, and Ano Gomez is the front end developer. Um, at juniors we have Jujun Go and Alias Said. So about the project overview, um, our project is rebuild an existing application with a very old and slow and missing some key feature that I know required and writing in PHP and other tools. So the new version is using modern web frameworks such as Angular, cloud computing service such as Google Firebase, that provide more that provide better experience with users and faster with compared with the old version. So the tool and the technique that we use it for this project is backend we use Node.js, frontend we use Angular, and database we use Firebase from Google. So about the goal that we target this trimester, we have some lots of meeting with the product owner, and we have a few like we have basically we have a few target that are updating the chat functionality by adding new feature, fixing bugs, and like correcting the overall orientation of the website, um, and also improve the user interface. So the feature for this iteration, um, I have added the delivered notification under the message. So as you can see right here is the before of the application, and this is the after. So the after I have added delivered under the message. Whenever the receiver and the sender send a message, um, that content the delivered with the icon under the message. I also fixed the bug that is, as you can see, this is the before, missing the day of the message being sent, and this is the after. This is the after. We can see that the day being sent and the time that message being sent.
Verma, and I will explain from this feature. So I have basically added a new web page in the website where we can upload and retrieve any image attachment from the chat function, and it is also integrated through the Firebase database. And this is basically like a Dropbox where if two persons are having any chat, they can, if they want to share any necessary information, they can do so by uploading any image with the help of a unique key, and that unique key will be told to the receiver and he can access that image so that there is no unauthorized access for the image. And in this slide I'll just explain that specific feature. So here this feature can be used for a group chat as well, and an individual chat as well. And in here we can see that I have sent a message to one of the users saying that the title for the or the unique ID for the image to be accessed is headline, and then I will press this button, which will lead us to a new web page, which is the image Dropbox or the image upload web page. And here, as you can see that while I am uploading the image, I will have to give a unique ID or a title to this image, and then I can choose the file from my desktop or PC, and I can upload it. And as soon as I click the save button, there will be a message which will say that your upload was successful. And if I want to access the image, I'll just have to enter the unique ID over here and then click view, and it will further open in a new web page, which from where we can download the image and we can also view the image. So this is how it works. So there were various bug fixes as well, which we had done as a part of this iteration. So in the chat feature, if we have a look, earlier it was like this, where if we type nothing in the chat box and we just click the send button, the messages were being sent, which was a bug, and there was nothing, no text in that. And we had fixed it. Here you can see that there are no messages, and also if there is nothing written in the chat, then the message won't be sent. So we have fixed that, and as soon as we type anything, this would the color would turn to a dark blue color, and we can click it. Otherwise, the function the specific button would be blurred out. This is another bug which was found by the product owner, as we can see in the email compose section. Here the body of the message was, the height was so much small, and so we had fixed it, and we had increased the height for this, so that it is feasible and it is more user friendly, and one can type the message. We have also fixed one more bug in the sent functionality of the email, where when we view the sent email, whatever we have sent to any specific user. For example, I had just shared the map of Australia to one of the user, and we can see that if I view it in the sent items, here I can see that the orientation is not correct. But if I go on to the next slide, after this we fixed it to this, like we can see the whole body of the message, we can see what he shared, what image he shared, and everything. So this was fixed by us. Now we had also done some of the basic responsiveness on the web pages. We had made the web pages much more responsive and user friendly. As you can see here, what I had done was, there are three examples, which is email send, email inbox, and roles page. As you can see, all of these are getting cut. The screen is getting cut, the buttons are not clearly visible, they are getting cut, and the table is also getting cut. So I had fixed them in here. You can see that nothing is getting cut, and I had reduced the size for them so that it is much more user friendly and feasible. So for the next slides, I will pass on to Yujun, and he will explain. Thanks.
In slide 21, the slide shows the admin page, statistics page, participant page, and home page. Before we add in a response, it's especially handling a response on those pages use media queries in CSS file. As seen in the slide, the admin, statistic, and participant page has tables that were cut out from the screen space. The home page, on the other hand, they have two columns spaced together. In 22 slides show results from the same page after adding responses. This time, the admin, participant, and statistics page has entered table words and topping up the available space on screen. For the home page, the two columns are reduced to just one column on a small screen. Slide 23 shows the future plan for the project. We can look at the authentication issue and deploy the app on Circle service, in addition to handing over the project documentation and showcase video. Slide 24 and slide 25 is our concentration from each member in screen display, along with their role and our record throughout the iteration. We have some challenges in 26 page, this page. We managed to overcome them, or the challenges we face include different time zones. For screen member, some member left the URL over the sudden, and we also have some login authentication issue. That is all the presentation. Thank all for your listening. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Once again, thanks all.